for. We are here to help others. What are others here for? Rachna, contestant number 1. Over to you.
Helping others has always been my favorite hobby. I have always believed in quotes like, strong people don't take much time to help others. God helps those who help themselves. Be helpful, be nice, be resourceful to others. Good morning, contest chair, my fellow Toastmasters, and dear guests. I have always believed that we are here on this planet to help others. But on the other hand, a new question arises in my anxious mind. What are others for? Well, I think others are for three reasons. One, others are for season in our life. Others may be for a reason in our life. And three, others may be for teaching a lesson in our life. Let me share few incidences in my life, how I experienced this. So ever since I was a child and being so helpful child, in school, when somebody asked me, Rachna, can you please give me a pencil? There you go, a pencil for you. Rachna, can you share your tiffin box, please? There you go. Rachna, can you draw that drawing that is so tough? I cannot draw. And the drawing was there in the notebook. All this excitement and helpfulness was also for one reason. I always wanted to be the best sister in the classroom. So when the Rakhi season comes, the entire classroom used to get my Rakhis. And by the time we completed our school, I was the best sister in the class with all the pencils, rubbers, scissors, sharpeners being gifted to me. Little did I know that these young boys are going to be handsome lads when they grow up. This would have gone out of the window. But nevertheless, I had three boys, Dhiru, Prasad and Amol, always revolving around me and guarding me. They are not in touch right now. I follow them on Facebook. But during this season of my childhood, they are inseparable part of all the stories. There you go. We are here to help others. Others may be for some season. Scene 2. A friend had asked me once, can you put a liner on my eye? Oh, I just love paint brushes. Yes, yes, please. I am here to paint your eyes and create you into another Mona Lisa. So I started putting on the brush on over her eyes. As soon as I started painting Shireen's eyes, Anjali entered the room and she screamed, Rachna, what have you done? Shireen's eyes are looking so big. Ultimately, Shireen wanted her eyes to look big, but little did she realize that now she was not ready for a prom night, but for a Halloween party. Oops. I should have known that this brush, paint brush, is different than the liner brush. Well, I apologized to Shireen that day. But this helping thing found helped me discover new friendship. Anjali and Shireen are good friends now. So we are here to help others. Others may be coming for a reason in our lives. Scene 3. Oh, the helpfulness in me. Early morning, evening, night, anytime you ask me for help, I am up for it. One day, I was traveling early in the morning, 6 o'clock in the bus. As soon as I got into the bus, I heard somebody shouting, Kalpesh, bye bye. I heard Kalpesh. Kalpesh just got into the bus, I think. And I know Kalpesh has a crush on Pallavi, who is my classmate. Let's help the lovebirds. I'm so excited to be a good Cupid here. I went to Kalpesh and I told many different random things just to start a conversation. And then was the moment, the Cupid to strike. Kalpesh, Pallavi was talking about you the other day. I think she likes you. What do you think about her? Pallavi? Pallavi who? Oh, that was an awkward moment. You are the one who lives in Chincholi, right? Yes. You are the one who who is in B division, right? Yes. You are the one with whom we have practical laboratory same time. Yes, but who is Pallavi? Alert, alert, alert. Are you not Kalpesh? No, no. I am Kamlesh. That is what the reply I got. That entire bus ride, poor Kamlesh was thinking, who is Pallavi? Does she really like me? Can you talk to her about me? Blooper. This time helping others was totally blooper. I kept mum entire bus ride and said, I have a test in the class today, okay? Let me read. That's it. So others here, we help others, but sometimes we get a lesson. So others here are also to teach us a lesson that if nobody is asking for your help, please don't do the help. So maybe we always tend to help some others. It may fall into the right place, it may not fall into the right place. We get the reason, the season, and the lesson when we meet others. So now you know I am up for helping others. And if you need any criteria of helping, maybe friendship, sisterhood, love, anything, I am ready. So again, we are here to help others, and others here are for. Over to you, contestant.
Thank you, Rachna.